Okay, here we have the brand new Motorola Xoom 2 and Xoom 2 Media Edition tablets, taking the next generation from the original Xoom that we launched earlier this year. So let me show you the Media Edition first. This one features a 1280 by 800 display at 8.2 inches size. It's got a 1.2 gigahertz dual-core processor inside, gig of RAM. It's got a front-facing camera here. It's got a rear-facing 5 megapixel with flash, and also you can see the volume keys and the on-off button on the side. You see the soft touch feel around the edge, the metallic finish on the back there. If I turn the screen over, I can show you the rest of the device. On the bottom you have the ports, the HDMI and the micro USB port. The device itself is fully coated with splash guard, so that's a Motorola innovation we brought on the Motorola Razr, and we put it on our tablets as well. And that means it's a nano technology that coats the entire device through the ports and also around the entire device. So if you accidentally spill water on it, or you get caught in the rain, then it actively repels that water away from the device. So it's kind of like a little built-in security mechanism for you in case you have an accident. So if I tell you to use some of the apps themselves, it features the Digit application. This allows you to turn this into a remote control. It features the ERDA port on the top there. You can actually turn this into this big television here, use it as a remote control to change all the channels. What we also feature is the Citrix client for linking to a back-end virtual network, Evernote for taking notes and annotating on images, Fuse Meeting and GoToMeeting, which are online virtual meeting places where you can share PowerPoints, Word, Excel, videos, etc. We've got the Quick Office, we've got Tonki, which is a DLNA application that allows you to enable this device for DLNA and share with the DLNA TV. You've got Sketch, which allows you to annotate images with quick messages. And we've also got Motocast, which we brought to you with the Motorola Razr. So here's what Motocast looks like on a tablet. You'll see here I've linked to Charlie's MacBook Pro. This is a PC that's sitting in Charlie's house 50 miles from here. It will show me all of the music that's on his machine. You can see there's over 5,000 songs, 371 photo albums and 365 videos. So if I wanted to check all of his music, I just click on the music file there, and that will show me all of the music that's on there, and you see all of the album art and everything else you would want to see. You can go and see the entire thing. I can pick this one out, for example, and then just choose that and hit play. So I can hit play on here, and what it will do now is it will go and start streaming that song directly from Charlie's MacBook Pro. It will take a few seconds to buffer, and then you see the album art come through, and then it will start playing the song. What you see is the other features on the bottom. You see the ability to shuffle and to repeat, to skip forward and backwards, play and pause. You get all of the song, artists and the album tracks, and you have the ability to download the song from the top there. So if you wanted to hit download, it will start downloading that song, and rather than streaming it, it will start downloading it. The Wi-Fi connection speed is pretty slow here, so unfortunately it's taking a little while. But on an ultra-fast connection that you'd have in your home or office, this happens really instantly, nice and quick. You also have the ability to, as well as looking at all the songs, obviously you have the photos, etc. as well. Can press that. It started playing it now. So it's to stream it on there. I'll stop that, and you can go in to see Charlie's files. So here you have the ability to see the exact folder and file structure from that PC. So if you accidentally leave a file at home, or you want a picture to quickly grab from your machine, you can go straight through into the back and start doing that, and still have music playing in the background. So that's the streaming contact that hooks up to the files in the back office. Okay, we'll just turn that down and we show you the rest of the device here. So the other applications that we have on here be the Fuse Meeting. It's a really nice application. Allows you to set up conferences. You can just log in just quickly. Log in quickly here. And this will go then log into the Fuse Meeting account, and you have the ability to either set up a meeting or to join an existing meeting or to schedule a meeting for the future. So there's a few sample meetings here. You can start this meeting. It will set up the meeting there. You can then share content that you want to on there, so you can share media files or Word, PowerPoint, Excel, etc. Set that up, invite attendees, an online conferencing site. So that's the device itself. That's the media edition, designed for consumption of media, books, newspapers, online magazines, etc., and it fits handily in the back of your pocket of a pair of jeans.
It's designed for portrait mode rather than landscape.
Yes, portrait mode rather than landscape. Obviously, works perfectly well in both, but it's been designed for use here, single-handed, in portrait mode.
Hence the Motorola logo where it is.
Yep. So then, if we move on to the 10.1, which is the Motorola Xoom 2, you'll see it features the same applications. It has the same screen resolution. This is a 10.1 inch. It's ever so slightly thicker. The media edition is 8.8 millimeters. This is 8.99 millimeters. So both devices sub 9 millimeters, really light. Compared to the original Xoom, this is over 100 grams lighter. It's the display is an IPS display, so the display is brighter. It features a larger processing power. This is a 1.2 gigahertz dual core versus a 1 gig dual core. We still have the same RAM inside there. This is a 16 gig Wi-Fi version. The previous version we had with Wi-Fi was the 32 gig. So it allows us to get to a slightly better price point. In the UK, this is launching with Carphone Warehouse, Best Buy, PC World, Dixons and Currys at $379.99 retail. The media edition is $329.99 retail. Some of the additional features you get on top with the 10.1 is we have this stylus, so you can integrate and use your stylus to scroll through here, nice and quick and easy. We also integrate some of the note-taking features onto this display here, so you can quickly look at my Evernote notes. I can then go in and edit those if I want. If I wanted to open a new note, just go and quickly open a new one and then can start typing away, creating a new note. Very nice integration here. If I want to go to the browser, I can open up the browser here, and we can see this will connect to a website here. Unfortunately, the Wi-Fi is very slow, as we saw with the previous one, but this is the connection to the website.
And these are both Wi-Fi only at the moment.
That's right, both Wi-Fi only, both 16 gig Wi-Fi only devices.
Will there be 3G versions coming out in the UK?
We're only announcing the Wi-Fi ones today. If we've got any other news to announce, then we'll contact you and we'll go through that at a later date.
Okay.
So here's the Wi-Fi has gone down, unfortunately.
No, that's
Let
fine.
me see if I can. I wanted to show you one nice little feature, which is the grip suppression technology. So we've got intelligent grip suppression. So here you see my thumb is touching the display, but the device recognises that I'm actually only holding it. So it still allows me to use the device with a single finger, rather than confusing it all. So it's intelligent grip suppression on the Motorola Xoom 2 announced today.
Thank you.